OpenAI's DALLE2, Google's Imagen, Stability AI's Stable Diffusion, and MidJourney paved path for generative AI. These tools were groundbreaking for AI art generation. Hey there, welcome to LearnOpenCV. These are 10 AI tools used to generate art and novel images. First, OpenAI's DALLE2 is probably the most famous model. It generates high-quality novel images using natural language text prompts. Although the models are not made available to the public, images can be generated using OpenAI Labs. Every user gets monthly free credits, or they could subscribe to a subscription plan. Bing recently integrated DALL-E model into Bing Image Creator. In fact, it is pretty simple to use compared to the other websites on this list. We just have one model to deal with and a good prompt to generate images of our choice. MidJourney is another diffusion model that is created by an organization with the same name. It does not have a UI like DALLE2. Instead, it cleverly uses Discord to take requests and generate images. Also, unlike DALLE2, which generates realistic-looking images, MidJourney specializes in generating artistic and moody images. MidJourney also works on a subscription-based model. Neither is Google's Imagen an open source project, nor the models are available to the public. Only the official paper is available to the public, so we cannot try it out. But Stable Diffusion by Stability AI is an open source project. Unlike the previous models, the pre-trained weight files for Stable Diffusion are released to everyone to use. And moreover, the open source community has hacked the fine-tuning process to retrain the model cheaply with just a GPU that has 6 GB of memory. The details in the text prompt play an important role in Stable Diffusion. For example, a basic prompt like thunderstorm in the night sky produces this result, whereas thunderstorm in the night sky, colorful, Unreal Engine, trending on ArtStation, realistic, produces this result. These 4 generative AI models gave way to other art generation tools. Stable Diffusion WebUI, created by Automatic 1111, is one of the most successful GitHub repositories. Project provides a web-based user interface to use almost any Stable Diffusion model. To use it, clone the GitHub repository and download the appropriate models inside models/Stable Diffusion directory. Then execute python space launch.py --share. This will output a shareable link. This will generate image-to-image conversion for image in painting and image out painting, support for image super resolution, control over the strength of the text prompt, generating multiple images with different parameters using a single generation run, support for instruct pix-to-pix, no prompt image editing, and much more. OpenJourney by PrompHero is a modified version of Stable Diffusion 1.5 that has been trained on images generated by MidJourney version 4. The easiest way to use OpenJourney is by using the diffuser library. Include the words mdjrny-v4 style in the prompt to tell the model to generate images in MidJourney style. PlaygroundAI allows users to search and generate images using various diffusion-based models. The user can generate 1,000 images per day for free when using Stable Diffusion 1.5 and 2.1. Using the paid tier, the user can also have access to DALLE2 model. Create an account with PlaygroundAI and then click on Create button at the top right corner. Enter the prompt here and click Generate Images. PlaygroundAI is a good place to start your AI for art generation journey, as you get 1,000 free images every day. Not only PrompHero lets us browse through images based on topics like food, architecture, anime, and more, it also lets us generate images with a vast variety of models like Stable Diffusion, Arcane Diffusion, OpenJourney, and modern Disney Diffusion, among others. Lexica.art is another website to search through and generate images using diffusion models. The generated images look quite artistic and colorful compared to other diffusion models. These are generated using Lexica's fine-tuned model Lexica Aperture V2. CivitAI makes the generated images and checkpoints available to the users. It provides fine-tuned stable diffusion checkpoints for different art styles like anime, video games, celebrity, and many more. These are 10 AI tools used to generate art and novel images. To learn more about generative AI and applications in computer vision, check our latest course that covers tools like DALLE2, MidJourney, Stable Diffusion, and ControlNet. Scan the QR code and click on the link in the description. Do comment on what you would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. This is Satya Malik, your guide to the fascinating world of computer vision and AI.